In this tutorial, you'll create a compact info pop-up using custom shapes, commonly used for tooltips and quick hints in UI designs. Create a small canvas in Photoshop and select the Custom Shape tool. Draw a rounded rectangle as the pop-up body. Add a small triangle shape at the bottom or side to act as the pop-up pointer. Set a soft but visible background color. Inside the pop-up, use the Type tool to add short informational text with comfortable line spacing. Add a tiny circle shape in one corner to represent an info icon. Duplicate the pop-up shape, place it behind, blur it slightly, and reduce opacity to create separation from the background. Zoom out. The pop-up now feels lightweight, clear, and user-friendly.